Hey everyone, and welcome! In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create an Undet project from your point cloud data using the Undet indexer. It's a simple process, but there are a few key settings to keep in mind, so let's go step by step. Before we begin, make sure you have the Undet indexer installed. It's a standalone tool that comes free with all Undet solutions, and it's what we'll use to build the project. The Undet environment is designed to handle massive point clouds. We've successfully tested projects up to 2 terabytes, so don't worry too much about file size. It can handle it. Undet supports a wide range of formats like E57, LAS, LAS, PTX, and more. Just make sure your point cloud data is properly registered before you begin. This means it's already aligned and clean, because once the project is created, you won't be able to delete or re-register points. All right, let's dive into the actual steps. Open the Undet indexer. Select the project type. In most cases, the recommended default option is perfect. Click Add Files or Add Folder to import your point cloud data. You can add individual files or whole folders. If needed, you can organize your files into groups. This is especially useful if you're working with larger or segmented scans. Click Create Project. A configuration window will pop up. Here's where you set the options for your project. Choose the Undet plugins you'll be working with. If you're using AutoCAD or Revit, make sure to select the correct checkbox to create additional files. This ensures the point cloud will work properly in those platforms. If you're planning to use the Undet browser, a free standalone viewer, check the option to create Undet browser project. You'll also see an option to filter out duplicate points. This removes any points that are closer than 2 nm apart in 3D space. This is especially helpful for generating clean 3D models or precise 2D drawings. Choose where you want to save your project and click to start. The indexing process will begin, and the system will generate the necessary files. If you've got enough free disk space, ideally 3 times the size of your original point cloud, you can disable the Check Disk Space option. This makes the process run much faster. Once the project is created, you'll find a IPCP file and a matching data folder in the location you selected. Together, these make up your new Undet project, and you can now open it in any Undet software, like Undet for Revit, AutoCAD, Ares Commander, SketchUp, or Undet browser. And that's it. Your Undet project is now ready to go. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. And if this video was useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials for more tips on working with point cloud data.